How to manage notifications on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications in Etoro app. So first thing we do is we go to Etoro. This is the home page. As you can see, now you have to click on those three lines here in the top corner. Click on them and then you have to choose the settings option right here. Click on it and then you have to go to notifications option right here. Click on it and here you go. You will have all the notifications here. You can turn on or turn off whatever you want here. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, cause this will help me a lot. And thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video.